So, hi everyone. So, everybody was telling that this Dijkstra algorithm to solve this problem is wrong. Yeah, actually, first thought I was also thinking that this is wrong, but actually, I understand the problem and seeing this. If there is C, this is the problem, right? So here the B and D value has not given, and the C and E value has not given. If they have not given, we should declare as it is infinite. Okay, so in the Dijkstra algorithm we will deal with the infinite, and then we will choose uh, the values, then we will release the thing. So to go to D they have given A to D, and go for the F they have given C to F, but for the going for E they have given A, B and E. So let's solve this. How we can solve this, and now let us do. So you can solve any, there are many methods, but I follow this method because it is very much easy. And in second year as well we have studied in the mathematical for finding the shortest path. So Dijkstra algorithm means finding the shortest path, okay, and as well as with the methodology of Dijkstra algorithm. So where we have source and destination. The source is A, so first we will take A. From A to this, all those things, how many possibilities are there distance? So for A to B, so see, for A to B we have 3, right? I will write 3. Good, right? Then for the A to C, the A to C is 5, and A to D we doesn't have that, so we will think it as infinite. So here I will write infinite as well because it does not have value, right? So it is infinite. Then A to E, A to E easier, so no direct node, so infinite. For F as well, infinite, right? Yeah, so now we completed this A1, right, with A. Now we will just release this A, means B, because the shortest path for the B is 3 only. So now we take A and B. So from A and B we just round up this 3, and to A to B. By to go C, the very shortest path, if I calculate from A to B and C, if I calculate 3 plus 3 is 6, but the 6 is very large according to the 5, but 5 is very shortest, so 5 will be taken. And then from B to, from A to D, okay my dear friends, I did I'll miss something. See, we can go from A to D. Okay, I forgot that one. Okay, so we can go for A to D directly, so it is 9. Okay, this is this is important. So A to 9, so A to D we can go directly, so we have it on 9. So actually I forgot it. Okay, so then we want to find the value of D. So A to B, and to go for D there is any possibility, so we have, from B we cannot go, so the default thing is 9 only, so we'll keep 9 as well. So for E, so for going E, we does not have any direct, yeah, we have a value. A to B is 3, right? 3 plus 7, 10. Okay, A to B 3, and B to D, right? Sorry, it is E. Okay, E, A to B and B to E, 7. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So 7 plus 3, 10, right? So we got the value for this E. Now let's try for the F. There is F, there is no, because by using A B node we cannot go infinite. Now we have shortlisted this 5. Okay, you can say anything. We sometimes we relaxation, as well as we can call all what we are selecting this as bubble, it is also called as relaxation. A comma B comma C. Now from these 3 nodes we want to check the possibility, and minimum cost we want to find. So now the 3 is the default one, the 5 is also default one. Now we want to go for the D. To go for D we have the possibility of A to D, it is actually happened. Now we can go from A to 5, A to C, and C to D. So 5 plus 2 is 7, right? 5 plus 2 is 7. So we can go like that. So we can take 7. So it is minimum, so we can take an. So next is E. So E, to go for the E, we have already taken that 7 one, and this is the ultimated, right? This is the one. From C we cannot go directly. Okay, from C to F we can go directly. So 5 plus 8 is how much? 5 plus 8 is 13. So A to C and C to F, right? So 8. So I will write how much? 13, right? Then again, so we shortlisted the 7, right? So I have shortlisted the 8 in 7, A comma B comma C comma T. So 3 5 7. Okay, so I have shortlisted these things. Now I want to go for the E. For the going for the E, we have D as well now. So D is here. From D we can go for E and F as well. For the going for the D, E, the shortest path is 7. The 7 plus 2, how much? 9, right? The before we are going from A to B and B to E, but the shortest part we gone, another one is A to C and C to D and D to E. A to C 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. So we have taken the 9. So we got the shortest. And going for the F, by using direct D, we cannot go, I think so, right? From D we cannot go, so 13 will be carry on. So the 9 will be shortlisting, or called as relaxation. A B C D E. Now 3 is normal, 5 is normal, 7 is okay, 9 is okay. Now going for the F, there is any other possibility? Let us check it out. From E we cannot go because it is also infinite. So from we have only possibility A to C, C to F. So 13 is the ultimate. So this is the final answer. So now this what I have written in this, we want to written in a hence proved format. Hence final path is path R, anything. Okay, so for A it is 0. From direct the current state will be 0. To going for the B, the shortest path was 3, right? A to B, it is 3. We also want to write the direction A to B. Okay, then for going for the C, it was 5. The direction was A to C, right? Now for the D, the shortest path is 7, right? We have round up it, right? We want to take that one for the 7. So for the A to D, we have taken A to C, C to D, right? So A to C and A to D. So also in the left right side we want to also write the values as well. 5 plus 2. Okay, then for E is equal to 9. So for E we have gone like from A to C, then C to D, then D to E. Okay, we want to write the values as well for this one. So the values are 5 plus 2 plus 2. The total is 9. Then we have F is 13. 13 is simple, we gone from A to C and C to F, simple. So A to C, C to F, right? And the values are 5 plus 8. So hence proved. So we can solve. So I actually first time when I see this problem, I also thought there is a mistake, but we can solve this problem because it is a what is this, DIJK. Okay, this algorithm, sometimes I am not able to pronounce this. Okay. So this algorithm can be found by using the infinite. So there is a rule. The first initialization will be in infinite. So keeping the infinite, so we can be continuing. So the answer is like this. And what I have written like this in a mathematical way, if they ask for the 10 marks or 7 marks, you want to write in a theory format, like we will go for the A to B, then we will go for the A to C, like that we want to go in a write in theoretical format. So I have written in the format of uh, for explanation for mathematical format. Yeah, okay, thank you, bye bye.